Hello everyone, I'm Ellen and now I'm here in Koh Samui on South Thailand. This beach today I show you is named Crystal Beach. And why Crystal Beach? We're gonna discover this together. Come on! I'm Brazilian and I learn English. I improve my English. I promise you in few months I am talking with you perfectly. Let's go see this beach. Let's see this water. So warm. Delicious. I'm swimming here after. Of course. Oh my god, this is so crystal. Oh my god, a lot of uh, I don't know. I don't know how do you say? Who do I say? I don't know. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Conchas. In Brazilian, we say conchinhas. Conchas. I don't know how I say in English. A lot of shell here. Beautiful. I love it this beach because have a lot of restaurants there and these mountains, greens, beautiful. Today is so beautiful day because the sun is shining and me shining here. Beautiful. And I need swimming here because here is so calm. This ocean is calm. Let's go. I love it. I love it too because here have both sides of this beach have a lot of rocks. I think is so beautiful. This beach is perfect because it's short and small and como diz areia, the sand is so white and delicious for get in my mouth. It's so funny for me talking in English because this is my first song talking in a vlog, so I'm shy. You understand? You understand? Oh my god! Look at this! I try. This is slack line. I don't know. I'm so bad. Let's try. Fix on point. Oh my god, I'm scared. Oh my god, the camera. Ok, concentração. Concentration. Não. For you guys, for you. Almost. Almost. Oh, but I'm good. I'm so not bad, guys. Not bad. Oh, so hot today. So hot, and after I'm going to swim in this ocean, blue and beautiful. And now I choose the restaurant in front of the beach. I choose this plate named Pad Thai for my lunch. Let's go. I try. Oh, so cute. Oh, so cute. Ah, I love it, cats. I have tattoo with cats. So let's go. Beautiful. Yummy. So good. This is my favorite plate in the world. No, just Thailand. This is my favorite plate. Pad Thai. Finally, I'm gonna chill the swimming with you and the beautiful ocean. Oh my god, water so hot, beautiful. I love it. This beach, I love it. I hope that you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching and see you the next video.